Welcome to Cornwall Garage Door Centre. Based in Truro and covering the whole of Cornwall, we have over 30 years' experience in the supply, installation and repair of garage doors for domestic customers. Up and over doors are the most widely fitted garage doors in the UK. Their simple one-piece panel construction makes them easy to use, strong, reliable and secure. They are available with either canopy or retractable mechanisms. Insulated sectional garage doors allow for exceptionally smooth operation, and they maximise the drive-through width of a garage opening, allowing for close parking inside and out. Roller doors make the best use of available space by allowing parking inches from the door, as well as freeing up overhead storage space. Roller doors are available either insulated or single skin to suit all budgets. Sectional, roller and retractable up and over doors are available with full automation for an effortless experience. We pride ourselves on ensuring excellent value for money without compromising on quality, and whatever your garage door requirements, we are confident that we can help. For more information, you can visit us at our showroom, which is the largest in Cornwall, or call us on 01872 275 997.